Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get gardener seed pack in Grow a Garden Very Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my garden guide and then I'm going to go to the daily quest. Wait, okay, this one. And then I'm going to go to the daily quest, and these are the quests that we need to complete to get the gardener seed pack. Okay, you need to complete all this daily quest. You need to finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily quests, and at the end you will get this gardener seed pack. And I have already completed 2 of the daily quests, and I have already claimed the reward. Okay, and after you complete them all, you will get this gardener seed pack. Okay, this is new daily quest that you can complete guys, and it's a little bit different with the usual daily quest. And okay guys, that's all the way to get the gardener seed pack in Grow a Garden Very Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!